Okay, dear students, let us solve an example on section formula. So let us see what is question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So let us consider here A point -1, 7, B point 4, -3. Suppose here R is a point which divides given line segment in the ratio 2:3. So we know that coordinates of point which divides the given segment in m:n ratio. That is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So this is formulas here. So call this as x1 y1, x2 y2, and this as m and n. Okay. So x is equal to m is for 2, x2 4 plus n is 3, x1 is -1 upon 2 plus 3. I'll write here 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 5. So x is equal to 8 minus 3 means 5 upon 5. It is 1. So similarly we can calculate y is equal to m is equal to 2, y2 is equal to -3 plus n means what? 3 into y1. y1 means what? 7 upon 2 plus 3. Okay? So therefore y is equal to -6 plus 21 upon 5. So y is equal to, it is 15 upon 5. Y is equal to, it is 3. So therefore coordinates of point R will be 1, 3. I'll write here required coordinates of R 1, 3. तो यहाँ पर ये सेक्शन फार्मूला कैसे ध्यान में रखना है, देखिए x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So in this way we can calculate the coordinates of point which divides given line segment in the given ratio when the vertices of end points of line segment are given. ठीक है? Okay, dear students, let us solve one more example on section formula. So what is given here? That we have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining 2 points here. Suppose this is given line segment that is 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 3. Now trisection, suppose this C point and D point. Trisection means ऐसे दो पॉइंट्स जो गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट के 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स करते हैं. So let us consider this as x comma y and this as x dash comma y dash. See here, these 3 are equal, so therefore I can say that D divides AB in 2:1 ratio. So these are same, okay. So therefore let us calculate x dash is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y dash is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So let us see what is. So x dash is equal to m is 2. 2 into x2 means minus 2 plus m is 1. 1 into this is 4. So upon 2 plus 1. So x dash is equal to minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. X dash is equal to 0. So this is 0. Okay. Then let us calculate y dash. M is what? 2. Y2 minus 3 plus n means 1. Y1 means minus 1. So upon 2 plus 1. So y dash is equal to minus 6 minus 1 upon 3. So y dash is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So it is minus 7 upon 3. Now see here. Now we know coordinates of point D. We have to calculate coordinates of point C. Now these two line segments are same. Therefore C becomes midpoint. So C is midpoint of AD. Therefore x is equal to, I can write x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x is equal to, let us call this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x1 is 4 plus 0 upon 2, y is equal to, y1 is what? Minus 1, y2 means this plus minus 7 upon 3 upon 2. So therefore this is x is equal to 4 upon 2 is 2, y is equal to, this is minus 3 minus 7, it is minus 10 upon 3 into 2 6. So y is equal to minus 5 by 3. So x is equal to 2. So therefore coordinates of C, what are the coordinates of C? 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and D 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. So what is key point here? We should know trisection. So C and D divides AB in it makes trisection. It makes trisection means these 2 points, they make 3 equal parts of AB. So ये 3 सेगमेंट्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो सेगमेंट्स अगर इक्वल होते हैं तो उनका रेशो हमें कैसे लिखना है ये मालूम होना चाहिए. जैसे D divides AB in 2:1 ratio. Then C divides AD in 1:1 because these two are same, and D divides AB in 2:1 ratio because AD is 2 times of DB, so 2:1. So in this way we can calculate easily the coordinates of points which are trisecting given line segment. Okay? Thank you. Okay, dear students, let us solve one more example on section formula. So what is question here? Find the ratio in which line segment joining points, these 2 points, is divided by this point. Suppose this is a line segment AB, coordinates -3, 10, 6, -8, and suppose this C divides, this point C divides -1, 6 square. So we have to calculate ratio here. Ratio. In which ratio this C point divides. So let us take this as k is to 1. Suppose C divides, AB in k is to 1 ratio. So call this as X and this as Y. X1, Y1, X2, Y. So X is equal to, we know that if it is dividing, it is kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1. Y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So let us solve here. K in, so we know what x now. So what is x here? -1 is equal to k into, what is x2? x2 is equal to 6 plus x1 means -3 upon k plus 1. Y is equal to k into y2 means -8 plus 10 upon k plus 1. तो ये दोनों में से, so we know y is 6. So either taking this or this, we can calculate required ratio. So -1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So I'll write here -1 plus 3 is equal to 6k plus k. So it is 2 is equal to 7k. So 2 upon 7 is equal to k upon 1. So therefore required ratio k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 7. So or we can take this equation also. If we take this equation, we will get the same ratio. Okay. So what is important? Key point that you should know this formula. You should know this formula. Then we can easily calculate the required ratio. Okay? Thank you. Okay, dear students, let us solve one more important question which was asked in examination, board exam, on section formula. So what is given here? Find the ratio in which the point, this -3 comma k, divides the line segment joining these 2 points, and hence we have to find the value of k also. So what is given here? Suppose this is a given line segment, and suppose this C is a point. So what are the coordinates of, say, -5 comma -4? Then this is -2 comma 3, and suppose this is -3 comma k. So we have to calculate the ratio. So we'll take here m is to n. Okay. So suppose this is x and this is y. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. तो ये रेशो जब हम निकालते हैं तो यहाँ पर x coordinate is given, so write only x, is formula of this only, x coordinate only, no need of writing y. So what is x here? It is -3 is equal to, I'll write m into, call this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So what is x2 here? -2 plus n, x1 is -5 upon m plus n. So -3 in bracket m plus n is equal to -2m minus 5m. So it is -3m minus 3m is equal to -2m minus 5m. So take m on one side, -3m plus 2m is equal to -5m plus 3m. So it is -m is equal to -2m. So minus minus plus m by n is equal to 2 upon 1. So therefore required ratio is 2:1. That is C divides AB in 2:1 ratio. And again we have to calculate value of k also. So we can calculate now here y is equal to my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. Because by taking this y coordinate we can calculate k. K is equal to, what is m here? M means 2, y2 3 plus n means 1, y1, what is y1? Minus 4 upon 2 plus 1. So therefore k is equal to 6 minus 4 upon 3. So k is equal to 2 by 3. So this is the required value of k. So in this way we can calculate. Okay? Okay, dear students, let us solve one more important question which was asked in board examination on section formula. So let us see here, in what ratio does the line x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining these 2 points. So see here, what is given here? One line segment is there. Suppose this is given line segment AB, whose coordinates are, suppose this is line segment joining these 2 points 3 comma minus 1, 8 comma 9, and there is a line. Suppose this is a line, equation is given here, x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So in what ratio that So this point is intersecting here. Suppose this is C point which divides AB in k is to 1 ratio. So we have to calculate this ratio x comma y. So let us calculate here. So I can write here x1, y1, x2, y2 columns. So here x is equal to kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, right? So I can write x is equal to k into x2 means what? 8 plus x1 means 3 upon k plus 1, that is x is equal to 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1. Now see here, this point, this x lie, and we have to calculate y also. So what will be y here? Y is equal to, right here, y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So what is k into y1? y1 is minus 3, sorry, y2 is 8. So what is y2 here? K into 9 plus y1 means minus 1 upon k plus 1. So this is 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1. Now see here, this point lies on this line. So therefore, this line must satisfy this x comma y. So put x is equal to 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1 and y is equal to 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1 in equation. Put x is equal to 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1 and y is equal to 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1 in x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So here, what is x here? 8k plus 3 upon k plus 1 plus minus, this is minus, y means what? 9k minus 1 upon k plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 8k plus 3 minus 9k plus 1, minus 2 says multiply, minus 2k minus 2 upon k plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be, that is minus 11 plus 8k. So it is minus 3k, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2 plus 2. This we can take here. So this is equal to 0 into k plus 1. So minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 3k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to 2 by 3. That is k is to 1 is equal to 2 is to 3, we can say that. So therefore, what is our question? We have to calculate the ratio. So this is the required ratio. That means this line divides AB in 2:3 ratio. So what is important here? So just suppose this line x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0 divides AB in C point, and its coordinates are x comma y, and it divides in the ratio k is to 1. Then we know the coordinates of the point which divides given line segment whose coordinates of end points are given. So x is equal to kx2 plus x1 अपॉन k प्लस 1, x कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है, फिर इसको यूज करके y इज इक्वल टू y2 प्लस y1 अपॉन k प्लस 1, ये y कोऑर्डिनेट हमने निकाला है। फिर x कोऑर्डिनेट और y कोऑर्डिनेट इस लाइन के इक्वेशन में निकाल रखना है, बिकॉज दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट, दैट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट मस्ट सेटिस्फाई दिस इक्वेशन। तो k की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए x और y के कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ पर रखना है, जो हमने यहाँ पे रखे हैं। ठीक है, तो इससे k की वैल्यू भी हो जाएगी। k की वैल्यू मीन्स दैट इज द रेशियो ऑफ k is to 1. So in this way we can calculate this. This is one of the important examples.